Heartiest greetings to all. My name is Devishi Agarwal and I am from grade 10A. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic A Tiger in the Zoo. Among the multitude of highly mind-blowing animal species residing in rainforests, grasslands and mangrove swamps, one can find a wild beast with highly prominent stripes on an appealing orange-brown fur. This animal is a wild big cat and an apex predator for whom animal meat is a tasty treat. What adds to its wonderful appearance are its sharp and strong claws which provide a big hand in preying and gripping. Well guessed, this animal is nothing other than the noble tiger, one of Mother Nature's extremely charming laurels. Yet unfortunately, the survival of this marvelous creation is at stake. It is critically endangered. The population of tigers has been dwindling drastically and now there are only between 3062 and 394 tigers left worldwide. An enormous surge in incidents of deforestation has become a major and highly excruciating curse for this big cat species. For deforestation has stolen its habitat and prey from it, finding a severe lack of living space in its natural home. It is forced to venture out into the adjoining territories whose environment is highly unfit for its well-being. As this ensues human-tiger conflicts, undoubtedly, such engagements lead to a loss of both human and tiger life. Plus, they cause havoc in the area. And the major threat to the welfare of tigers is mass poaching and illegal trade in the species. Through the ages, countless tigers have been slaughtered as a part of hunting sports and expeditions, or for their fur and claws. Owing to these highly pressing factors, tiger protection has become a critical need of the hour. Tigers need to be preserved not only because they're highly beautiful and mesmerizing in appearance, but also because they're the guardians of the ecosystem. A tiger plays an indispensable role in controlling the herbivore population, which would have swallowed the entire forest cover if left untouched or uncontrolled. Tigers also provide flood control by maintaining forest cover, which firmly anchors the soil and obstructs the flow of fast-flowing water. Hence, it's clear enough that the entire ecosystem will go into flames in their absence, which through all sorts of lives, including human life, will be thrown into peril. Thus, it is vital to know and respect tigers and save them. This goal can be achieved by establishing protected zones in the forest which shall be supervised by trained forest guards. Legal enforcement shall be given the topmost priority in this case. Awareness campaigns need to be conducted in order to educate the masses against using leather and ornaments made of tiger claws. Locals shall also be informed regarding poaching and illicit trade in wildlife so as to enable them to take preventive measures at their own level. In the end, overall progress shall be carefully studied by monitoring tiger numbers, population trends and threats to tigers and their habitats. Governmental schemes such as Project Tiger have considerably ameliorated the situation and do bring some hope. Yet there is a long way ahead which we shall hopefully be able to cover. Thanks a lot.